Hi, in this video I will show you how to open the battery cover. It is really easy. I mean, first time it may be difficult, but in this video I'll show you. See, this is the camera. Left side it will be there will be battery compartment. You can see the line right here, the line. What you have to do is just hold the camera tightly, move upwards, that's it. When you move upwards you can see the red line, it comes. After moving upwards, you can hear a click, then you can see the battery inside. So to open the battery you have to just lift this, and here's the micro SD card compartment. Do not damage this cover because it may lose the properties of waterproofing, right? Even if there's a slight amount of water goes inside, it's really difficult. Okay, you shouldn't see any red line. That means it is completely locked. If you are seeing that red line, means then you haven't locked it completely. So yeah, that's it for this video.